Hi guys, Martha here, and this is just a quick video on a Christmas craft that I made, and here are all the things that I'm using to make this craft, which I think turned out really cute. The only thing I'm using, which is not from Dollar Tree, is the baby Jesus. So as I go along, I'll show you how I used the items. And so I'm gonna start out by painting the bottom part of this candlestick in white. I'm only painting the bottom part of the candlestick because the top part is not going to show. Then I'm going to hot glue a piece of one of the mop heads in the bottom part of the candlestick to represent the snow that has fallen. I am now hot gluing some Jenga blocks to the top of the candlestick because I'm going to be hot gluing the Christmas trees over that. I'm hot gluing one, there's 5 of them. I'm hot gluing one on top of the other, and I have 3 blue ones and 2 silver, and they're all iridescent and they're so pretty. So I am gonna make it a taller Christmas tree than if I were just going to use one. So tall that it's sort of like the one in New York. Anyway, so that's gonna be the focal point of the craft, this beautiful Christmas tree. The ornaments on this tree are going to be these beautiful pit berries that I bought at Dollar Tree. They are covered with ice, and I am just gonna hot glue them all over the tree. After I finished putting the ornaments on the tree, I'm going to use this beautiful silver charger plate as the base of the craft. Isn't this a beautiful ornament, this glittery church? I love that. I'm going to hot glue 2 rows of garland all around the charger plate. After I finished hot gluing the garland to the border of the charger plate, it's time to decorate the bottom of our scene. I've already hot glued the beautiful Christmas tree. There's the baby Jesus, the only item which was not from Dollar Tree. I put snow all along the bottom of the tree, and I'm going to hide the battery pack under the snow in the back, and I'm just going to place the lights exactly where I want them now. I'm gonna finish creating my scene, and then I'll show you how it all turned out. There's gonna be animals, there's going to be the beautiful church, little Santa and Mrs. Santa from Cobblestone series at Dollar Tree, and here it is. I think this Christmas tree is absolutely beautiful. Of course, I thought it was too small by just using one. That's why I put 5 of them together, and it's such a beautiful iridescent glow from this tree. And I'll show you the little scene in the bottom. There's the church, the baby Jesus, Mr. and Mrs. Claus, all the berries and animals on top of the snow. There's a little snowman in the back. I think it turned out really cute. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you have fun creating some crafts for your decor at Christmas. I hope to see you again in my next video. Until next time, guys. Bye.